Oh, hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato salad, but it's potato salad for a barbecue. It's a side dish that you can put or eat with your burger, your hot dogs, or your steak or your chicken, whatever it is you have on the barbecue. So at the moment I am boiling 2 eggs. They are boiling nicely, because that's something that I'll have to put in the potato salad. And then obviously I have my potatoes boiling. Today I'm using 4 medium potatoes. I don't peel and cut up my potatoes. I boil them with the skin, and then afterwards I'll cut them in the pieces that I want. Okay, so whilst our potatoes and our eggs are boiling, I'm going to get on and do the other ingredients that we need for it. At the moment I'm cutting up a pointed red pepper, and the other thing that I need to do obviously is an onion. You can use red onions as well, but today we'll be just using white onion. Okay, put that there. And obviously I have 3 pickles, or you can use pickled gherkins as well, and you just want to cut that up as well. Just add it to your onions and your red pepper. The next thing that we're going to cut is a frankfurter. So this potato salad has a frankfurter in it because it's just, these German sausages are smoked and they just add that nice smoky taste to your potato salad. Okay, so I've got my frankfurters there. So we'll wait for our potatoes and our eggs to boil, and then we'll continue. Okay, just checking in on our potatoes to see if they've cooked. So just poke into them, just right in the center, all the way down. Yes, they are cooked. So we'll drain them, let them cool off, peel them, and then we'll continue. Okay, so now we have our boiled potatoes peeled and ready to be cut, and we have our 2 eggs. So we're just going to cut our eggs, and then your potatoes. Okay, you just put everything in your bowl. Potatoes, your eggs. Now we're going to add our ingredients that we cut up before. So your red peppers, your onions, your gherkins or pickles, and your frankfurter. And you just give it a nice swirl. So our other ingredients are a teaspoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of fresh milk, 5 teaspoons of salad cream, 3 teaspoons of mayonnaise, and a bowl of sweet corn. And then at the end we're going to add some green pepper. So olive oil, add your milk, that's the salad cream, and then your mayonnaise, your sweet corn. Just mix everything together. Give it a bit of black pepper, just a little bit of kick. All those ingredients coming together, sweet, sour. Okay, and then you just mix everything together.